Cool Agenda's reviewers advise you the French comedy Cat and Dog. Dear Philippe, Frank, Reem, Ines, and Artus. We are looking forward to hearing from you and would love a comment from you. On Wednesday the 11th of February 2024, one of the members of our team attended the avant premiere of the French comedy featuring Philippe show, Frank Dubosc, and Reem Ines. Do you know who the director is? The movie is directed by Reem Ines, who stars in the movie as well. Ines and Artus are the voiceovers of the cat and the dog. What a movie with awesome comedians. Cool Agenda's international reviewers have liked the movie because it stars talented comedians and also because the movie features a cat and a dog that talk. How funny. The story is about a famous cat, star of social networks, and a street dog, that both lose their respective masters. Then, a crazy journey begins between Montreal and New York with on one side, humans who have lost track of their animals, and on the other, the animals left to their own devices to find their masters. You should watch this movie, because it will make you laugh. We thank the comedians for having been at the avant premiere and will release parts of their interaction in the movie theater soon. We have really enjoyed the movie a lot. That is why you should go watch the movie. It's winter holiday in France, time to take a good break in a movie theater with a good comedy. Last but not least, a talented voice-over comedian will probably comment on the movie soon. We will keep you posted.